Ugqirha Kgosientsho Ramokgopa uthi usimisele kumsebenzi wakhe kumaziko ombane kuquka neziko lamandla ombane iKusile nanjengoko elindinyathelo likamongameli Cyril Ramaphosa.
I don't assign functions to myself. It's the president that makes that determination. But I'm more than confident that they will make that announcement in due course. We have had engagement with the president, myself, Minister Mantashe, Minister Godane as a collective and also individually. So we are happy where we are. I'm more than confident that the president will make that announcement very, very soon.
Isithethe siphuma kwa Eskom siyanaba.
This winter, I mean, the reason why we are a little bit constrained than the other winters is because of Kgosile and obviously Quebec. As you would know that Quebec, we are also extending the life of the 2 units, but obviously it's only 1 unit, Quebec 1, that is out as we speak.
Umphathiswa uphinde wathatha ithuba lokujongana neenxalabo eziphakanyiso malunga nesivumelwano se-Powership.
We as a ministry, part of what we are submitting is that when you talk emergency, is exactly that, emergency. In our view, that it should not be a period more than 5 years. So that's the starting point. Powership solution, because Powership is a company, I'm talking about Powership as a technical solution to give you these megawatts quickly. It's a conversation we must have. But where we are, emergencies can't be more than 5 years.
Ukwaxelele amajelo eendaba ukuba basakudibana nombutho wamasipala iSalga ukulungisa ezinye izinto ezixhalabisayo ekuhlaleni oku kulandela iindaba zenkwenkwe ephulukene nobomi bayo xeshikweni kuqhutywa uqhankqalazo lombane ukwaceba ukujongana nenkxalabo yokungcola ephakanyiso kwamanye amaziko ombane kaEskom.